Hey guys, welcome to the Kinduct tutorial. We're going to take you guys through the steps to get set up on your phone. First step is going to be create a login for Kinduct. So you're going to want to go into your mailbox. You should have an email from Capital Strength in the inbox of the email that you gave us. Click that link and it'll bring you to the browser version of Kinduct where you will create a username, enter your password, confirm your password, and essentially this signs you up. Alright, so once you've registered your username and profile, now it's time to update your profile on the browser. So again, you're going to enter your password, confirm it, and then it's going to ask you for a little bit of detail about yourself. Something important is to make sure that you are getting email notifications, so you want to select that. Down here, we're looking at entering our birthday, our height, our weight. There's all sorts of information that you can add. At the very minimum, please add your birth date, height, and weight, and the rest is totally optional. Once you are done entering all your information, you want to make sure you scroll to the very bottom and click the Save button. Now we can close our browser. We've completed our profile update. Alright guys, the next part is going to be to set up the app on your phone, the one that you downloaded earlier. So you're going to go into Kinduct, you're going to enter that profile or username that you created earlier. The domain name is always going to be Capital Strength, all one word together, Capital Strength, and then the password that you created earlier. So with this we can log in, give it access to enter our phone, and then create your security system, create a PIN, fingerprint, whatever you want. Okay guys, so the most important part is coming up, how to log your workouts. So you'll be notified via email when a new workout is assigned to you. You don't need to click on the link this time. Now that we're set up with the Kinduct app on our phone, we can access these new programs from the icon on our phone. Alright, so this is the view of inside the app on our home page. This kind of gives us an idea of what workouts we have coming up. This is what the basic template will look like. You have a warm-up, a main lift, some accessories, some conditioning. So you can click on the warm-up tab to access the warm-up. It's represented by one link, which is a video. Below, you're going to have a list of all the exercises that are within the warm-up. And then if you play the video, obviously it's going to take us through each exercise. So it's important to note in that description previously, that list is going to have all the sets and reps listed for you. So make sure you take notes of how many reps you're doing, and that'll take you right through your warm-up. Alright, so once we've done our warm-up, we get to move on to our main lift. That's the next section. It's important to note that the exercises in this section are to be done in a superset fashion, meaning that 2A is to be performed with a rest of 60 seconds, followed by exercise 2B, followed by a rest of 90 seconds, and we will repeat that for 3 sets. For further clarification of the exercise, click on the blue link for a video tutorial. So here we can see where we log our weights. We used 10 pounds, for example. We did 10 reps. We rested for 60 seconds. I can input all this information. It's very important that you do that so that we can see what you guys are up to, what weights you guys are using, and help track your progress. Some more tips on tracking our reps when it comes to body weight exercises. What's important to note is that for body weight exercises, we'll be using a reps in reserve method, and there is a gray font that will notify you how many reps in reserve. So when it comes to entering it, if I was asked to do a set of 2 reps in the tank, my max reps being 7, so I stopped at 5, I'll mark 5. Next set, I might only get 4, so I'll enter 4, and 3, so I'll enter 3 on my third set. So this is very important for us to track for body weight exercises, as it'll allow us to track progression in the movement. These are body weight movements that we're referring to, so we will understand when it is 0 across the board for weights used. Alright, so now it's time to take you guys through the accessories. The exercises in this section should be done in a circuit type fashion, meaning you will do 3A followed by 3B followed by 3C, followed by a rest of 90 seconds. And you'll repeat this for 3 sets. Here we will see a lot of single arm and single leg exercises, in which case the reps labeled will refer to one side only. So if it says 10, that means 10 per leg or 10 per arm. When logging the weights for these single arm and single leg exercises, we would like you guys to mark the weights of the pair of dumbbells you are using. For example, if I'm using 15-pound dumbbells, one in each hand, I'm going to mark 15 and not 30. In the accessory movements, we also have another example of one of our body weight exercises using the reps in reserve method. So remember, pounds lifted will stay at 0 because we know it's body weight. In terms of reps, it really just depends on how many you can achieve in that set while leaving 2 reps in reserve. This would be an example of somebody who got 8 reps the first set, 7 reps on their second set, and 7 reps on their third set, while always leaving 2 reps in reserve. Alright, and lastly, for non-weighted, non-body weight exercises, so for example, when we know we're going to be using the same weight and getting the exact same amount of reps for all of our sets, we can easily autofill by clicking the check mark. So when we come back to our program overview, the green check marks let us know that 3 out of 4 of our sections are complete. So now let's take a peek at conditioning. These workouts will differ between skipping, body weight series, running, shuttle runs. The only thing to keep in mind with our conditioning workouts is that there will be several sets. So it's important to scroll through all the sets before you start to understand how many sets you're doing, how long your working intervals are, and how long your resting intervals are. Alright, so once we've finalized the workout, there's one more thing to fill out. The training load will be a pre-given number based on how much weight you use throughout your workout. The RPE reflects a rate of perceived exertion. So essentially it's a 1 out of 10 scale, 1 being really easy, 10 being extremely difficult, and you are asked to rate every workout before you finish. The second thing that you'll need to mark down before completing your workout is the duration. Based on your duration and your RPE, we will be given an RPE load. That is mostly for us coaches to worry about. All you athletes need to worry about is your RPE rating, 1 out of 10, and the duration of your workout. Alright guys, now it's time to take you through how to access the questionnaires. So first things first, you'll go to your email once you are notified that a questionnaire has been sent to you. Simply just click on the link, and that will bring you through the browser version of Kinduct where we will answer our questionnaire. Alright, so here's a look at what a questionnaire might look like. There are several different styles of questions and different ways to answer them. Some are simple, yes or no. Some are more of a toggle style that selects kind of a scale of 1 to 10 or 1 to 5. Others are multiple choice, and you can answer as many as apply. There's also body map soreness. So if you're sore in a certain area, you can indicate that area with the degree of pain and the area that it's happening in. Pretty cool for us as coaches to see where you guys are struggling with some injuries. So please try to be detailed with that stuff. And like I said, you guys should be getting these once a month just for us to try to keep tabs on everyone and see how everyone's doing.